straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause this door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon. and you won't let me down. If you took time off, though it could cost you your job. We've glorified the busy life to feel our time's worth something. Oh, 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 and I will give myself to something bigger than myself. It's the least I can do, it's the least I can do. And I will give myself to something bigger than you.
I found a star in you, always guiding me to where my words are true. I've waited 1,000,000 years before, and I'll do it all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games, yeah, it's hard